Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Outlook web app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft.com. Once you're on the page, log into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will load up your inbox and give you access to all of Outlook's email features, including the ability to compose new messages and insert formatted elements like tables. After your inbox is loaded and you can see your emails on the screen, direct your attention to the top part of the window where all the main menus and tools for Outlook are located. You'll see a button labeled New in this area. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options for creating different types of items. From the options that appear, click on Mail to open a new email composition window. This is where you'll be able to draft your message and add any elements you need, including tables. Once the email composition window opens up, you're ready to insert your table. Look at the top part of the screen where you'll find several tabs for different actions. Locate and click on the Insert tab. This tab contains all the tools you'll need for adding various elements into your email, such as attachments, links, images, and of course tables. After clicking Insert, you'll see the menu expand to reveal all the available options. Now, from the Insert menu, look for the Table option and click on it. When you do this, a grid will appear on your screen. This grid represents the size and dimensions of the table you're about to create. Simply hover your cursor over the grid and you'll notice that it highlights the cells as you move across it. This visual guide makes it easy to select exactly how many rows and columns you want in your table. Once you've found the size that works for you, click on the grid and the table will automatically be inserted into the body of your email. From there, you can start filling in the cells with your data, adjust the formatting, or resize the table as needed. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a table into your email in Outlook web app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.